Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to create and join new Discord guild in 2025. So first of all, just click on the plus by the corner, then you will now click create my own. Now is it for a club or is it for a community? Is it for me and my friends? But before then, I've made you can start with a template first if you don't want to just create from start. Now if it's for gaming, just click on gaming, then you now click check if it's for a club or community or for you and your friends. I'm just going to click me and my friends. Then you click your server name, change your server name to anything you want. You can write for fun or the name of the guild that you want, which can be game junkies. Then you will have to upload your picture, and if you don't want to upload the picture, you can just click create server. Then you can now share the link to your friends. You click share link, and once you have shared the link, then you can just press done. And now you have set up your guild. Hope you found the video helpful.